The biggest takeaway in this workshop for me is creating a word wall that honors children's languages. So we have children from all over the world here, and I would like to create a wall that honors all of their languages.
I'm doing a PD on action, agency, and engagement for students. And we're looking at how we can engage students in the learning process and engage them in the understanding of the concepts so that they can build the capacity to take action not just within their own lives, but also in the communities that they live in.
我们这一次的工作坊可能大部分就是帮助我们更好的去了解什么是 IB program， 然后以及怎么去深入的帮助学生发展关于 IB 的那些特质，以及怎么样培养他们的学习目标。
I think the biggest takeaway for me right now is I learned the strategies to help students to develop their vocabulary.
Great. And then later in the day, we'll work on how we can do read alouds in the classroom and develop all student vocabulary for all of our learners of different language levels.
And I think the strategy I'm learning right now will help me to support my students' learning needs because they all learn in different ways, and also we have different levels of students learning, so they can we will benefit from that.
Yeah, and I'm excited to take the time to really examine what we're having the students read so that we can think through the lens of the student and see things through their eyes so we can make sure that they can access that material and learn the best way possible.
In the library, I like to help students with their new vocabulary by, when they bring their books back, I often ask them, what did you read last week? I see that you read about sharks, and then they might tell me something.
I think one of the biggest things I can take away from this workshop is focusing on practice with reading and giving students a chance to assess and engage with each text based on their background knowledge and important vocabulary.
The main takeaway from today's session was that each teacher left the room with an evidence-based, multi-tiered reading plan session in which our respective grade level content can now more fully explore class levels.